Here's a certified 2016 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, wireless phone connectivity, power tilting steering column, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com notes its meticulous construction and engineering, refined ride and handling. Get the best, get Mercedes-Benz. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,